Hi students. Today we will discuss about sets, equal sets. When we will when we will get equal sets if two sets are having same elements, then that sets are known as equal sets. Now I will take one example. A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 2, 1, 3. And one more I will take, C equal to 1, 4, 5. Now in A we have 3 elements, 1, 2, 3, and in B also we have 1, 2, 3 elements. So both A and B are equal, but we will check A and C. In A, elements are 3 elements, but 1 is there, 1 is there. Here 2 is there, but 2 not there. 3 is there, but 3 not there. So A not equal to C. Similarly, B not equal to C. So if two sets are having same elements, then that sets are known as equal sets. Next, I will explain some problems. A is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word follow. And B equal to x such that x is a letter in the word flow. And C equal to x such that x is a letter in the word wolf. Now observe these 3 sets. I will write for first set A equal to F O L W. I am not writing double. Here L is repeated and O is repeated. That's why I am not writing. So F O L W. And set B equal to F L O W. And set C equal to W O L F. So observe these 3 sets. Here A equal to F O L W and B equal to F O L W and C equal to also F O L W. So these 3 sets are equal. Then A equal to B equal to C. And next problem. Consider the following sets and fill up the blanks with equal or not equal. Equal or not equal. First one, A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to the first three natural numbers. Three natural numbers. C equal to A, B, C, D. D equal to D, C, A, B. E equal to A, E, I, O, U. F equal to set of vowels in English alphabet. First one, A. So here A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal the first three natural numbers. What are the first three natural numbers? 1, 2, 3. So B equal to 1, 2, 3. That means A equal to B. And the next one, what are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3. And what are the elements of E? A, E, I, O, U. So not equal. And next third one is C, D. What are the elements in C? A, B, C, D. And what are the elements in D? A, B, C, D. So both are equal. And next fourth one, D, F. What are the values of D? D, C, A, B. And what are the values of F? Set of vowels. So what are set of vowels in English? A, E, I, O, U. So these both are not equal. That means not equal. And fifth one, F, A. F, A. What are the values of F? A, E, I, O, U. And what are the values of A? 1, 2, 3. Not equal. And next, D, E. A, B, C, D, A, E, I, O, U. So not equal. And next, F, B. What are the values of F? Set of vowels. So A, E, I, O, U. What are the values of B? 1, 2, 3. So not equal. And next one, in each of the following statement, whether A equal to B or not. This is second one and this is third one. Whether A equal to B or not. First one, A equal to A, B, C, D. B equal to D, C, A, B. So here A equal to B. Why? Because all the elements of A and all the elements of B are same. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. And next one, A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. B equal to 8, 4, 16, 18. Here in A 4 is there, 4 is there. B 8 is there, 8 is there. Here 12 is there, but here 12 is not there. That means A not equal to B. And the next one, A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B equal to X such that X is a positive even integer and X less than or equal to 10. What they give? X is a positive even integer and X less than or equal to, then what is the set? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here both sets are equal. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 7. Then A equal to B. And the next fourth one. A equal to x such that x is a multiple of 10. X such that x is a multiple of 10.